Assalamu alaikum. Angle relationships in circles. Part 2, 11.5. We will complete this lesson, Theorem 1153. 1153. If a tangent and a secant, two tangents or two secants, intersect in the exterior of a circle, then the measure of the angle formed is half the difference of the measure of its intercepted arcs. We studied before if two secant intersect interior angle, but in this case we will study intersect in the exterior angle in the exterior of a circle. Angle 1 equal half the difference of arc AD minus arc BD. So measure of angle A1 equal half measure of arc AD minus measure of arc BD. Angle 2, this angle 2 equal half measure of arc EHG major arc minus minor arc. So measure of angle 2 equal half open bracket measure of arc EHD minus measure of arc EG. Measure of angle 3 equal half measure of Gn minus measure of Km. Exercise number 3. Exercise 3. Finding measures using tangent and secant. A. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. X equal what? X equal half open bracket 174 minus 98. So x equal half measure of arc RS, this is RS minus measure of arc QS. So half open bracket 174 minus 98 equal 38. B. Measure of x. Measure of x equal half. Pay attention in this point because whole circle equal 360. The minor arc is 132. So the major arc equal 360 minus 132 equal 10 minus 2 equal 8. And 5 minus 3 is 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 222. So this measure arc 228. 228. Why? Because the measure arc plus minor arc equal 360. This arc is 132 and this arc equal 360 minus 132 equal 228. Now x equal half open bracket 228 minus 132. 228 minus 132. 228 by subtracting 360 minus 132 because this whole circle equal 360. Now x equal 48. X equal 48. Try to solve, check it out. Stop the video and try to solve it by yourself. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. You have to write in steps. 25, this angle is 25 equal half open bracket 83 minus x. 83 minus x. Why? Because this angle L, because angle L, 83 minus 83 minus 83 equal 83 minus 83 equal 83. 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 83 minus 83 e equal half the measure of arc JL, angle L equal half measure of arc JN minus measure of arc KN. KN. So 26 equal, multiplied by 2, so it will be 50 equal 83 minus x. Why multiplied by 2? To cancel half. Multiply by 2 on the right side and left side. Multiply by 2, cancel half. It will be 83 minus x, and multiplied by 2 equal 50. Now subtract 83 from both sides, so it will be negative x equal 50 minus 83. 50 minus 83, it will be negative 23, negative 33. Multiplied by negative 1, so x equal 33 degrees. This is the value of x. So the value of x, measure of arc KM equal 33. Again, quickly, angle L equal half the difference between measure of arc LN and the measure of arc KM. So 25 equal half 83 minus x multiplied by 2, so it will be 50 equal 83 minus x. Solve equation of the first degree. It's easy to find the value of x now. X equal 33. Let's summarize about the lesson. Angle relationships in circle. This is rules about this lesson. Vertex of the angle. If the vertex on the circle, measure of angle, if the vertex on the circle, so this angle equal half measure of intercepted arc. Angle 1 equal half 120, half 120 equal 60. Measure of angle 2, because the vertex on the circle, so equal half 200. So angle 2 equal 100. If the vertex inside a circle, half the sum, equal half the sum, the measure of intercepted arc. So angle 1 equal half the sum of 86 and 44. 86 and 44, so sum, then find its half, equal 65. Outside a circle, if the vertex outside a circle, tangent or secant, outside the circle. So this angle, angle 1, equal half the difference. So if the vertex inside, have the sum. If the vertex outside, have the difference. Pay attention at this point. If the center inside, so find have the sum of intercepted arcs. If the vertex outside, have the difference. So 202 minus 78, and find its half, will be 62. Angle 2, find the difference and find its half. The difference 125 minus 45 and then divided by 2 will be 40. وبكده نبقى خلصنا الانجل relationships in circles. واتمنى لكم التوفيق، وما تنسوش تشاركوا في القناة، والسلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.